Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to shut off the water supply to a washing machine. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. First of all, you want to look at your washing machine, and generally speaking, behind the washing machine, somewhere on the wall is going to be your water supply pipes. So to verify that, you can just go ahead and take a look at the pipes and make sure that there's a hose from those pipes that connect to the washing machine. In this case, these are the pipes that connect to the washing machine and supply the water to this washing machine. Now you're either going to find a knob like this, which is sort of a full-size circle knob, or just a little tiny little knob. If you have a knob like this, chances are you have to turn it multiple times to close it or open it. If you have just a little tiny little knob, it's usually a quarter turn knob, which just requires a little tiny little turn. And if actually there's one under here, so if you kind of look right over here, this is actually just a very simple quarter turn knob that you have to turn just a quarter of a turn, okay? So just to clarify, I just wanted to show you that. So once you've found your washing machine water supply line, you want to twist them to close them. And in this case, in most cases, you're going to be able to see what direction is closed and open. But for the most part, usually when you turn them clockwise, you're going to be able to close them. And in this case, I know that the water is already on here, so I'm going to have to turn it in the direction that, you know, makes sense. So I can't turn it anymore this way. So to close it, I'm going to turn it clockwise, okay? And continue twisting these larger ones until they can't twist anymore, okay? So I'm going to continue turning this clockwise until it can't twist anymore. One is for the hot water and one is for the cold water. So this is completely closed, and I'm going to do the same thing with this one. And like I said, if you have a smaller knob, they're only going to require usually a quarter of a turn, just a little turn. But you have to use your judgment. You want to turn it until it basically can't turn anymore, whether it's a quarter turn, a half turn, or multiple turns like this. Now, once you've done that to both the hot water and the cold water supply, the water supply to the washing machine has been shut off. And that's it. It's that simple. That is how to shut off the water supply to the washing machine. Once again, you just want to make sure that you're turning it in the right direction and turning it the right number of times. Basically continue twisting them until they can't really be turned anymore. So you can see right, this one right here can't be turned anymore. This one can't be turned anymore. I can really push on them and they just won't go any further. So I know the water supply has been closed. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.